Part of the Equidae family, zebras are native to Africa and are closely related to horses, but they are not the same species. Zebras have three subspecies: the Grevy's zebra, the plains zebra, and the mountain zebra. Let's learn more fun facts about these black and white striped equines. 1. Zebra stripes are unique, like human fingerprints. A zebra stripe is unique to the animal, meaning that no two zebras alike have the same stripes. Their stripes are unique to them as fingerprints are unique to a human. Although to the human eye these stripes seem the same, these unique stripes help other zebras tell them apart in the wild. A zebra can track its family by the pattern type of its stripes. The reason zebras even have stripes in the first place is for thermoregulation. The black stripes absorb heat from the sun and warm up zebras during the early morning, while the white stripes reflect more light and help them cool off, while they stand and graze in the blazing sun of Africa all day. 2. They can communicate non-verbally. Although zebras can make noises, they can also communicate with each other through various facial expressions and through the flicking and movement of their ears. They can also communicate through sniffing and widening their eyes. For instance, when zebras greet each other, they will stick their ears straight up and push their faces forward. However, when they are frightened, their ears push forward, and when they are angry, their ears pull backward. 3. They can sleep standing up. At night, zebras lay down to sleep to reach a deeper REM state of rest, but if they are sleeping during the day, you can often find wild zebras sleeping while standing. This allows them to be alert if danger's nearby, allowing them time to run away quickly if a threat is approaching, since getting up can often be slow and clumsy. 4. They are quite big. Zebras are closely related to both horses and donkeys, meaning they are relatively big in size. Their size varies depending on their subspecies. The plain zebra is the smallest of the three, averaging at about 4 feet in shoulder height and weighing between 380 to 850 pounds. The mountain zebra is roughly the same in height as the plain zebra, but can weigh up to 950 pounds. The Grevy's zebra is the largest of the subspecies, averaging at about 5 feet in shoulder height and weighing up to 992 pounds. 5. All zebras live in Africa. All zebras are native and currently live in Africa. However, the region varies depending on the subspecies. The Grevy's zebra prefers semi-arid grasslands and savanna habitats, found only in Ethiopia and primarily in Kenya. The mountain zebra can be found in southwest Africa and prefers dry, stony, and mountainous habitats. The plain zebra has the widest range, residing in east and southern Africa in treeless grasslands and savannas. 6. They are herbivores. Zebras are herbivores who mostly eat grass, but will also eat leaves and bark. Zebras are not fussy eaters and eat both primarily and a wide variety of grass available in Africa. They can also be found eating leaves and trees at times. Because of this, they can range more widely throughout the county, unlike other animals in Africa, sometimes even residing or grazing in woodlands. While sometimes they might be found eating a fallen fruit from a tree, they mostly eat grass, leaves, twigs, and sometimes bark from trees.
Hi guys, I am going to share interesting facts for each animal. 1. Ants. Ants are incredibly strong for their size, capable of lifting 10 to 50 times their body weight. They communicate through chemicals called pheromones, which they use to leave trails, warn others of danger, or share food locations. Some ant colonies can have millions of individuals, creating highly organized social structures. There are over 12,000 species of ants worldwide, and they exist almost everywhere on Earth except for Antarctica. 2. Bats. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. Their wings are actually modified hands. Over 1,400 species of bats exist, making up around 20% of all mammal species. Bats use echolocation to navigate in the dark, emitting high-pitched sounds and listening for the echoes. Some species, like the fruit bat, play an important role in pollination and seed dispersal. 3. Butterflies. Butterflies taste with their feet, using special receptors to identify nectar-producing flowers. Their wings are covered in tiny, colorful scales, which reflect light to create vibrant patterns. Monarch butterflies are famous for their long migrations, traveling up to 3,000 miles to their wintering grounds. A butterfly's life cycle includes 4 stages: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and adult. 4. Camels. Camels are known for their humps, which store fat, not water. This fat acts as energy reserves in the desert. They can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go and can survive for weeks without drinking again. Camels have 3 sets of eyelids and 2 rows of eyelashes to protect their eyes from sand. They can close their nostrils during sandstorms and their thick lips allow them to eat thorny plants. 5. Cockroaches. Cockroaches have existed for over 300 million years, making them one of the oldest living species. They can live without their heads for up to a week because they breathe through tiny holes in their bodies. Cockroaches are incredibly fast, able to run up to 3 miles per hour. Some species can survive for up to a month without food, thanks to their efficient metabolism. 6. Dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent and social animals, often seen forming complex relationships within pods. They use echolocation to hunt, bouncing sound waves off objects to understand their surroundings. Dolphins can communicate with one another using clicks, whistles, and body movements. Some dolphins can jump as high as 20 feet out of the water, a behavior called breaching. 7. Elephants. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal and show signs of empathy, mourning, and self-awareness. Their trunks have over 40,000 muscles, making them extremely dexterous and capable of delicate tasks. Elephants use infrasound to communicate over long distances, sending sound waves that are below human hearing. They play a key role in their ecosystems by creating water holes and paths that other animals use. 8. Giraffes. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with necks that can reach up to 6 feet long. Despite their long necks, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. They only need to drink water every few days, getting most of their moisture from plants. Giraffes sleep standing up and only need about 5 to 30 minutes of sleep a day. 9. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds can beat their wings up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover and fly in any direction. They have an incredibly fast metabolism and need to eat every 10 to 15 minutes, consuming half their body weight in food daily. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Their iridescent feathers reflect light, making them appear brightly colored. 10. Octopuses. Octopuses are highly intelligent, capable of solving puzzles and using tools. They have 3 hearts and blue blood, which helps them survive in low-oxygen environments. An octopus can regenerate lost limbs, and each arm contains its own mini-brain that can function independently. They can change color and texture to blend into their surroundings, a skill known as camouflage. 11. Ostriches. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 340 pounds. They are flightless but can run at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making them the fastest running bird. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain, giving it excellent vision to spot predators. Female ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird, with a single egg weighing as much as 3 pounds. 12. Penguins. Penguins are flightless birds but are excellent swimmers, capable of diving to depths of over 1,800 feet. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, with the exception of the Galapagos penguin. To stay warm, penguins huddle together in large groups, using their collective body heat. Emperor penguins are the largest species, standing about 4 feet tall, and can incubate their eggs on their feet for months in freezing temperatures. 13. Rats. Rats are highly intelligent and social animals, capable of problem-solving and even empathy for others. They have incredible adaptability and can survive in almost any environment, which is why they are found on every continent except Antarctica. Rats' teeth grow continuously throughout their lives, so they gnaw on things to keep them sharp and at a manageable length. Some species of rats can tread water for up to 3 days and survive being flushed down toilets due to their strong swimming skills. 14. Bald eagle. Bald eagles are powerful birds of prey and the national bird of the United States, symbolizing strength and freedom. They have incredible eyesight, which is about 4 to 8 times stronger than that of humans, allowing them to spot prey from over 2 miles away. Bald eagles can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour when diving to catch their prey. They are known for their massive nests, called eyries, which can be as wide as 8 feet and weigh over a ton. 15. Red fox. Red foxes are known for their cunning nature and are one of the most adaptable and widespread mammals, found across the northern hemisphere. They have exceptional hearing and can detect low-frequency sounds, helping them locate prey even underground. Foxes use a wide range of vocalizations to communicate with one another, including barking, howling, and screaming sounds. Their bushy tails, called brush, are not only used for balance but also to keep them warm in cold weather. (16) Monkeys. Monkeys are highly social animals, often living in groups called troops, where they groom each other to strengthen bonds. Many species of monkeys are highly intelligent and can use tools, solve puzzles, and even learn sign language. Some monkeys, like capuchins, use specific calls to warn their group members about the presence of predators. Monkeys have opposable thumbs, just like humans, which allow them to grasp objects and manipulate their environment. 17. Gorillas. Gorillas are the largest primates, with males weighing up to 430 pounds in the wild. They are gentle and peaceful creatures, primarily feeding on leaves, fruit, and stems. Gorillas live in tight-knit family groups led by a dominant male called a silverback, known for their silver-colored back hair. They share over 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. 18. Cobra flying snake. Despite its name, the flying snake doesn't truly fly but glides through the air by flattening its body and slithering between trees. They can glide distances of up to 100 feet by launching themselves from tree branches and undulating in the air. Flying snakes are mildly venomous, but their venom is not harmful to humans. They use it to subdue small prey like lizards and frogs. These snakes are excellent climbers and spend most of their time in trees, hunting for food and avoiding predators. 19. Crows. Crows are among the most intelligent birds and are known for their problem-solving skills and ability to use tools. They have excellent memories and can recognize human faces, holding grudges against people who they perceive as threats. Crows are highly social birds, often living in large family groups and working together to defend their territories. They are also known for their mimicry skills, sometimes imitating human speech and other animal sounds. 20. Cows. Cows have an excellent sense of smell and can detect scents from up to 6 miles away, helping them find food and sense predators. They have complex digestive systems with 4 stomach compartments that allow them to break down tough plant materials like grass. Cows are social animals and form close bonds with other members of their herd, even showing signs of distress when separated. They have a panoramic vision of almost 360 degrees, allowing them to see in nearly all directions without moving.